To fix an HP Thunderbolt dock that is not detecting monitors, a step-by-step process can be followed. The issue is often caused by outdated drivers, which require updates to the latest versions. To update the drivers, start by visiting the HP support website, where you can enter your docking station model in the provided field and submit it. A new screen will appear, allowing you to select your dock model and download the necessary driver and firmware updates for your operating system. After downloading, install the updates and reboot your computer. Additionally, the dock station may be experiencing glitches, which can be resolved by resetting the station. To do this, shut down the docking station, detach it from your computer, and remove the AC cable from the unit. Then, press and hold the power button for approximately a minute to drain the residual power and clear the cache. After this, restart both your computer and monitor. And once the laptop reboots, reconnect the dock to your devices. By following these steps, the HP Thunderbolt dock should be able to detect monitors again.